Meet Mike. Mike is a CEO of a software company. His company builds mobile applications for clients all around the world. Mike has a team of 50 plus employees. Mike gets requests for thousands of mobile application projects in a year, but his team doesn't have time to handle them. His team because they spend so much time on communication and managing various productive tools for handling various different tasks like integration of code, doing testing, bug reporting, and deployment. All these productive tools needs to talk to each other in order to publish a final app on iTunes and Google Play. And to do this, Mike's team has to go through various pages of documents just to update the app and deploy it. Every time the app is updated, the entire process needs to be repeated, which is time consuming and expensive, which in turn slows down Mike's team. They slow down the application and are slow to the market. Introducing BuildPan. BuildPan is an AI SaaS-based solution that automates the process of mobile app development by automating integration with various tools that the team is already using, helps in frictionless delivery to the quality analysis team or testing team, generating auto bug reports with exact line of source code and steps to reproduce, and deploy directly to the app stores. With BuildPan, Mike's team is 33% efficient. That means they can handle and complete project 50% faster and double the revenue. Now let's see how BuildPan works. The process is very simple. You have to log in with your source code account. Once you log in with your source code account, BuildPan will fetch all the latest projects that you're working upon. You have to click on create application part. Once you click on create application, your applications will drop down. You can select which application you want to create, iOS or Android. Then you have to go to your dashboard, select the application. Then you have to go on builds part, click on build now, your application will start creating. If there are any bugs or errors, an auto report is generated. The developer can rectify then and there and can again recreate the build. Then he can connect with iTunes and Google Play account, deploy the application successfully. BuildPan charges on the number of minutes consumed by users to create the application. The global market size for mobile app development is 220 billions and is expected to reach 407 billions by 2026, a CAGR of 18.4%. BuildPan stands apart because we provide our customer to create application on both Google Android and Apple iOS, along with providing them auto bug reports, auto app deployment, and auto app integrations. My name is Vaibhav. I'm CEO, co-founder. I have 10 years of work experience in product management and business development. In my last organization, I led the global expansion of a configurator app, generating $1 million in revenue. Sonal is our co-founder and COO. She has 7 years work experience working with Capgemini, working with clients like Morgan Stanley and HSBC Bank, deploying 25 million US dollar funds. Anthony is an ex-NASA, ex-Facebook solutions architect and DevOps manager with 20 plus years of experience. He's best known for AmericanIdol.com, where he built their application generating 60 million concurrent votes. Viren is our tech head and co-founder. He has 15 years of work experience working with tech head as Infosys and TCS. He's been deploying mobile applications since the time Android and iOS launched. Speaking about traction, we have two funnels, enterprises and freelancers. We have 25 plus customers who are using BuildPan platform actively under the lights of L&T Infotech, Jugnu from India, Green Tomato from Hong Kong, Kitaku, Seractive, Shirali, PolishMe from USA. And I'm happy that our platform is so robust and so powerful that even individual freelancers can use it. We have over 4,000 plus freelancers who are actively using BuildPan platform. And I'm happy to announce that we are doing 40,000 recurring revenue monthly, up by 60% since May.